Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about rice, and it is not a food recipe. Have you ever wondered why Japanese women in their 60s and 70s have skin that looks like they're in their 30s? I'm talking about skin so clear and bright that it literally glows without any filters or makeup. Well, I recently discovered their centuries-old secret, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. One of my viewers tried this recipe and messaged me saying, "I can't believe I've been spending hundreds on skincare products when this 5-ingredient mask gave me better results in just 1 week." And guys, when I tell you this mask works, I mean it works. We're talking about visible whitening, pigmentation removal, and skin so smooth your friends will think you've had professional treatments. But here's the thing. Most of us are making the same expensive mistakes over and over again. We're buying product after product, promising ourselves this will be the one that finally fixes our dark spots, uneven skin tone, and that dull complexion that makes us look tired even when we're not. I get it. You've probably tried vitamin C serums, expensive brightening creams, maybe even considered professional treatments. And let me guess, you've seen some improvement, but nothing dramatic enough to make you feel truly confident about your skin. The problem is, most commercial products only work on the surface level. They don't actually address the root cause of pigmentation and dullness. Japanese women have known this for centuries. That's why they don't rely on expensive products. They use ingredients that work from within the skin layers to create real, lasting change. So, what's their secret? It's rice. Yes, the same rice you probably have in your pantry right now. But not just any rice preparation. This is a specific method that combines rice with 4 other powerful ingredients that work together to create what I call skincare magic. Here's what makes this different from anything you've tried before. Rice contains something called kojic acid, which is actually used in professional whitening treatments. But when you combine it with the other ingredients in this mask, you create a powerhouse formula that addresses multiple skin issues at once. One viewer wrote to me saying, "I've been using this mask for 3 weeks. And my husband asked if I got Botox because my skin looks so different." Another said, "My dark spots that I've had for years are finally starting to fade. And I'm only using ingredients from my kitchen. The best part? This entire recipe costs less than $5 to make, and you'll have enough for multiple applications. Compare that to those expensive serums that promise the world but deliver mediocre results." All right, let's get into the actual recipe. You'll need 5 simple ingredients, and I promise you, the method is so easy that you'll wonder why you haven't been doing this all along. First, we need 2 tablespoons of white rice. Any type will work, but I prefer jasmine rice because it creates a smoother texture. Put this in a small saucepan with 1 cup of water. Now, cook this on medium heat until the rice is completely soft and mushy. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. The key here is overcooking it. We want it falling apart. While that's cooking, let me tell you why this works so well. Rice water has been used in Asian beauty routines for over 1,000 years. It contains amino acids, B vitamins, and minerals that actually penetrate the skin barrier. But here's the secret. When you cook the rice completely, you release even more of these beneficial compounds. Once your rice is cooked, drain it, but save that rice water. Don't throw it away. We're going to use both. Now, blend the cooked rice with a little bit of the rice water until you get a smooth, creamy paste. This is your base. Next, add 2 tablespoons of whole milk. I know some of you might be thinking, "Milk on my face," but trust me on this. Milk contains lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells while the proteins nourish and soften your skin. Now comes the game changer. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This ingredient is absolute gold for skin whitening. Cornstarch doesn't just sit on top of your skin like some products do. It actually absorbs excess oils while delivering brightening compounds deep into your pores. It's like having a professional treatment right at home. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Here's why this matters. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties. It also helps the other ingredients penetrate deeper into your skin. Plus, it prevents the mask from drying out too quickly, which could cause irritation. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Now, I know some of you might be worried about lemon being too harsh, but when it's combined with these other ingredients, it becomes much gentler. The vitamin C in lemon helps brighten skin, while the citric acid works with the rice to break down pigmentation. Mix everything together until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. It should look like a thick face cream. If it's too thick, add a little more of that rice water we saved. If it's too thin, add a bit more cornstarch. Now, let me tell you exactly what you can expect when you use this mask. And I'm not going to sugarcoat it or make unrealistic promises. I'm going to tell you the truth based on what my viewers have experienced. First, application. You'll notice your skin feels incredibly soft and smooth. The mask works immediately to remove dead skin cells and surface impurities. Don't expect dramatic whitening after one use, but you will see a subtle glow that wasn't there before. After 1 week of using it 3 times. This is where things get interesting. You'll start noticing that your skin tone looks more even. Those small dark spots might appear lighter, and your overall complexion will have more radiance. Several viewers have told me their makeup goes on much smoother at this point. After 2 weeks, this is typically when people start getting compliments. Your skin will have a noticeable brightness, and larger dark spots will begin to fade. One viewer messaged me saying, "My coworkers keep asking what I'm doing differently because my skin looks so much healthier." After 1 month, this is where the real magic happens. Consistent use will give you results that rival professional treatments. We're talking about significant reduction in pigmentation, smoother texture, and that coveted glass skin effect that Korean and Japanese women are famous for. But here's what I love most about this mask. It doesn't just whiten your skin superficially. It actually improves your skin health from within. For rice proteins, strengthen your skin barrier. The milk provides gentle exfoliation. And the other ingredients work together to boost your skin's natural renewal process. Now, let me address some common concerns and mistakes that people make with this recipe because I want you to get the best possible results. First, don't use this mask every day. I know it's tempting when you start seeing results, but your skin needs time to process these ingredients. 3 times a week is perfect. More than that, and you might experience irritation. Second, always do a patch test first. While these ingredients are natural and generally safe, everyone's skin is different. Apply a small amount to your inner wrist and wait 24 hours before using it on your face. Third, don't leave it on longer than 20 minutes. I've had viewers tell me they left it on for an hour thinking it would work better. That's not how it works, and it can actually cause dryness or irritation. Also, make sure you're using fresh lemon juice, not the bottled kind. Fresh lemon has more active vitamin C and is less likely to cause irritation. And here's a pro tip. Always apply a good moisturizer after using this mask. The ingredients work to renew your skin, so you want to lock in hydration afterward. So, there you have it. The Japanese rice mask that's been transforming skin for centuries, and now it can transform yours too. For less than $5, you can create a treatment that rivals those expensive serums and professional facials. I want to hear about your results, so please comment below and let me know how this mask works for you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me reach more people who could benefit from these natural beauty secrets. Next week, I'm going to share another Asian beauty secret that focuses on hair growth and thickness. You won't believe what Korean women use to get that gorgeous, voluminous hair. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss it. Remember, beautiful skin doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Until next time, take care of your skin, and it will take care of you. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.